Look at any metal in this room. The keys in your pocket, the braces on your friend's teeth, the aluminum can on the desk, every single one of those metals started as a rock, a boring, dull, unhelpful rock buried in the ground. Somewhere between rock and metal, somebody had to add something, somebody had to give those rocks electrons. That process has a name, it's called reduction. Reduction is the opposite of oxidation. There's a whole episode on oxidation. Watch it if you haven't. Here's the short version. When an atom loses electrons, that's oxidation. When an atom gains electrons, that's reduction. That's it. It's just the mirror image. When iron ore gets turned into iron metal, the iron is being reduced. When copper ore gets turned into copper wire, the copper is being reduced. When you electroplate a fork to make it shiny silver, that fork is being reduced. Even your body does it. When you eat sugar and your cells convert it into energy, the oxygen in your lungs is being reduced into water, gain electrons, and you've been reduced. Take copper. Real copper, the shiny orange metal, is just an atom that has all its electrons, but in nature, copper usually shows up as copper ions, missing 2 electrons hiding inside green and blue rocks. To turn that ion back into a real copper atom, you have to give it those 2 electrons back. Copper 2 plus 2 electrons becomes copper. That's the half reaction, that's reduction. The shiny copper pot in someone's kitchen started as a green rock. Somebody somewhere gave that copper its electrons back. The thermite reaction does the same thing for iron. Aluminum gives up its electrons, iron grabs them, and you get a puddle of molten iron hot enough to weld railroad tracks together. So that's reduction, atoms gaining electrons. Some atom had to give them up first. Oxidation and reduction never happen alone. Every time something is oxidized, something else is reduced at the same time in the same place. That combined story is called redox. Same playlist paired with metal reactivity.